The best way to start your farm, especially on a cramped island in Sky Factory 4, is as following. Please leave at least 3 blocks in between each tree, that way they have sufficient areas to grow, and also you won't lose too many leaves in the process. You do this by making a dirt block with 4 acorns and 5 resin, a common recipe in the early stages of this game. You will then make 1 piece of dirt and leave enough space in between each tree. To also aid in this, you can make a Paxel. This is a pickaxe, axe, and shovel all combined together. Now, if you get the order right, then you can go ahead and make this item. This item is useful because it will be slightly faster at mining, not only the wood, but also any furniture you wish to move. As you can see here, mining 1 block takes a while, even with a crook, whereas mining with the Paxel is much quicker. This will also speed up your production and make gameplay a lot easier in the beginning. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.